Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout 4 for beginners. First, you'll wake up in Vault 111 and need to escape. Follow the initial quest markers to understand your immediate goals and the game's core mechanics. Pay attention to the on-screen prompts for movement, interacting with objects, and using your Pip-Boy. The Pip-Boy is your essential tool for managing inventory, checking quests, and navigating the vast wasteland. When creating your character, carefully distribute your SPECIAL points to align with how you want to play, whether it's a stealthy sniper or a strong brawler. As you level up, select perks that complement your chosen stats, like Rifleman for ranged combat or Armorer for better defense. In the early game, focus on scavenging for improved weapons and armor to increase your chances of survival against the Commonwealth's many dangers. Combat in Fallout 4 can be challenging, so master the VATS system to target enemy weak points and conserve ammunition. Always scavenge everything you find, especially junk items, as they break down into valuable components for crafting and settlement building. When exploring, proceed with caution. The Commonwealth is full of hidden threats, from raiders to super mutants, so stay alert and be prepared for anything. Building settlements is a core part of Fallout 4. They provide safe havens and resources. Learn to manage your settlers, provide them with food, water, and defense, and connect your settlements with supply lines. Crafting weapon and armor modifications at workbenches is essential for improving your gear's effectiveness in combat. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic socks and other great deals to enhance your real-world adventures too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.